A warm and hearty welcome to everyone. It's a pleasure to have you all back on my channel. Today, we'll be delving into the topic of the side effects of Ozempic injection. We will look into the Ozempic, most common side effects, what are the causes of these side effects, and how they can be managed properly to ensure a safe and healthy experience for those taking it. Some of the most widespread side effects of Ozempic injection include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, burping and belching, constipation, headache, fatigue, dizziness, and decreased appetite. Additionally, some people may experience injection site reactions such as redness and tenderness at the injection site. It is common to experience nausea. When taking Ozempic, fortunately, you can take some simple steps to reduce it. I have found through experience that taking this injection after a meal can dramatically minimize nausea. Furthermore, administering the injection in the thigh may relieve feelings of nausea. If your symptoms worsen, try anti-vomiting medications like metoclopramide, domperidone, and herbal remedies like apple cider vinegar. If you feel nauseous or experience any vomiting after taking Ozempic, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids to prevent dehydration is highly recommended. You must also contact your doctor as soon as possible if the vomiting persists. If you experience the common and uncomfortable symptoms of diarrhea, drinking plenty of fluids is essential to avoid the serious health risks associated with dehydration. Additionally, your doctor may suggest an over-the-counter anti-diarrhea medication that can help reduce the intensity and duration of your symptoms. Abdominal pain is an unpleasant side effect that can sometimes occur after taking Ozempic. To reduce the chances of experiencing abdominal pain, try taking it with food, as this may help to alleviate the discomfort. However, if the abdominal pain persists or becomes more severe, it is important to contact your doctor for further advice and treatment. If you are suffering from constipation, it is important to increase your daily water intake and ensure that you add more fiber to your diet. It is also a good idea to consult with your doctor, who may recommend an over-the-counter laxative medication to help relieve the symptoms of constipation. Ozempic injection is known to cause belching, gas, and burping as a side effect due to its direct action of delaying stomach emptying. This means that food remains in the digestive tract for an extended period, creating an uncomfortable experience for some individuals. If you're struggling with painful, uncomfortable gas and bloating, you can find effective relief by taking medications such as simethicone or activated charcoal. These medications work by helping to reduce the amount of gas created in your digestive system and can provide fast and long-lasting relief from your symptoms. To reduce the side effects of Ozempic injection, such as fatigue and dizziness, it is important to ensure your body stays hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to prevent dehydration, which can worsen these symptoms. Ensuring adequate rest can go a long way toward warding off fatigue. Eating healthily and maintaining a balanced diet can help manage side effects and promote overall wellness. It is common to experience headaches or dizziness following Ozempic injections, possibly due to lower than normal blood sugar levels. Therefore, checking your blood sugar levels at home is a good idea. If your blood glucose is below the normal range, consuming small amounts of sugar or carbohydrates is important to reduce dizziness and headaches. If you're less hungry than usual, try having smaller, more frequent meals instead of larger ones. Ozempic injections are renowned for reducing blood sugar levels and promoting weight loss by making you feel less hungry. If you experience swelling, redness, itching, or any other type of reaction at the injection site, it is important to take action quickly. Applying a cold compress to the area can help reduce discomfort and alleviate further irritation. However, if the reaction persists or worsens in any way, it is highly recommended that you contact your doctor immediately to ensure proper treatment and recovery. It is essential to remember that if you experience any severe or persistent side effects while taking Ozempic, it is important to contact your doctor immediately. Doing so can help ensure potential risks are addressed quickly and effectively, protecting your overall health and well-being. With any medical treatment, it is essential to manage the potential side effects to ensure the best possible outcome. Monitoring and managing these side effects can help you stay on track with your treatment plan and get the most out of your care. We thank you for taking the time to watch this video and hope that you found it interesting and informative. Remember to like and subscribe if you'll keep up with our latest health-related content and stay ahead of the curve.